Think about a standard operating factory. Think about all the energy that gets wasted in erroneous systems that remain unchecked. Now think of a smarter way to assimilate these scattered systems into a unified solution. In the age of digital transformation, smart innovations like industrial IoT fosters businesses to monitor, control, automate, and communicate better. URJA makes the same possible through its patented world-class sensing and analytics technology, recognized by Government of India, supported by Tata Power, Clean Energy Incubation Center, and Social Alpha. This truly self-powered, batteryless, maintenance-free tool works as the Fitbit of industrial machinery, optimizing the utilization of capital assets. Once strapped onto the power cables of each equipment, the wireless URJA Eco sensors empower decision-making by providing powerful insights on production and energy efficiency, identification of energy leaks, automatic alerts on hidden productivity gaps, periodical reporting, real-time plant performance. Installing URJA Eco sensor is equivalent to deploying one technical specialist per equipment. So, think wise and save wisely with URJA.
Titanical is changing the face of fintech. Nowadays, there's an app for this and an app for that. Consumers can't keep up. Titanical enables consumers to use their existing accounts with apps such as Just Park, Park Mobile and Ringo to frictionlessly pay at the pump, tolls and drive-thrus while driving. Since graduating from Startup Bootcamp FinTech and Cybersecurity 2020, in just 3 months, Titanical has already reached 27 million drivers across Europe. Connected car commerce is a $230 billion market, and Titanical's patent-pending pay-by-plate technology is 1,000 times better than existing solutions. This enables us to provide truly frictionless payment experiences to the end consumer. No new apps, no gadgets to install, all you need is a license plate. Find out more at titanical.com.